Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from hashtag Walk with Lunch Channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Okay, ano po tayo, no? So pag-usapan po natin today ay yung ano naman po, no? Yung top cyber crimes in 2023. No? Kasi yan po yung data na nakuha natin, no? Yung top 20, top cyber crimes, no? In 2023, baga, no? So ano po yan, no? So Ah, okay. Ayan. Okay, so cyber, alright. Ang number one po dyan ay si online scams. No? So pag sinabi natin online scams, ito po yung mga para nag-o-offer sa atin. No? Pero it is not legit. Okay? So for example, no, yung ah nanalo ka, no? Nanalo ka ng ganitong um, mga prizes, no? Or papremyo, kumbaga, no? And then hindi naman pala totoo 'yon, no? Or ano ka, no? Bibigyan ka ng link, no? And then you need to fill out this link in order for you to win, no? Pero in reality, they are collecting your personal identifiable information, no? Okay? Personally identifiable information or PII. Okay, kumbaga, no? And then, okay, yung pangalawa naman natin ay yung illegal access, no? So pag sinabi nating illegal access, ito po yung parang, no, from the words itself, okay, they are accessing your network, your system, no, without any authorization, no? Kumbaga, it's unauthorized, kumbaga, no? Yan. No, so marami silang ginagawa diyan, no? Pwedeng man in the middle attack, okay, or yung ping attack, something like that, no? So all these things, all these methods can be considered as an illegal access, no? Simply by accessing anybody's phone, no? That is an illegal access, no? So technically, they can be able to sue you, no, with that thing, no? Then yung sa third one natin, yung identity, computer-related identity theft or identity theft, no? So parang stealing someone's credentials, okay? Yung usernames and passwords. Okay, not only that but also yung mga photographs nyo ginagaya yung identity nyo kumbaga, no? Kumbaga ninanakaw yung identity nyo and then ito yung mga poser kumbaga, no? So they will act like you, they will speak like you, they will talk or chat like you, no? Parang gano'n, no? Pero syempre this is not for an overnight, no? So hindi ito ginawa overnight lang, no? So kung matagal ka na niyang minatyagan, matagal ka na niyang tinignan, no? Tinignan yung profile mo, etc. No? Yung ATM credit card fraud naman, okay, hindi mo na lang alam ay ano naman, no, yung nakapag-order ka na pala online, no, using your credit card or ATM credentials, no, nakapag-withdraw na, no, nakapag-withdraw na on your behalf yung mga salarin or yung mga cyber criminals with this one, okay? Yung next po natin ay yung online threats, no, yung cyber threats or online threats, no. Pag sinasabi nating online threats or cyber threats, ito yung mga bagay na ano, no, na parang using a technology, kunwari SMS, through Messenger, through Telegram, all of these things na parang tinatakot ka. Okay? Oo. Ano huwag kang lalabas ng school, no? Kasi pag lumabas ka ng school, ay papatayin kita. Something like that. Okay? And then may ebidensya ka naman, no? Or not only that, but also dun sa ano, no? So, yung ang tawag doon, yung doon sa mismong wall mo, ano? Sa Facebook wall mo or sa feed mo, no? Nakalagay doon, oh, ito ang gagawin ko sa iyo, something like that, no? Online threats. No, kaya yung mga nagpapautang diyan, 'di ba? Mga ganong bagay, no? Yung data interference din, no? They would interfere with your data, with your network, with your etc. No? This is one form of data interference. Yung isa naman, anti-photo and video voyeurism, kumbaga, in Filipino, ito po yung boso, no? Ng boboso using a mobile phone, using a technology for instance. Okay? So yun po yun, ha? Alright. Yung next naman po natin ay yung ano, yung computer related fraud, no? Yung computer related fraud, ito po yung parang ano, no, parang recto, no? Recto online edition. Kumbaga, Ibig sabihin, not only online edition, but with the use of technology, no? So, free of fraud. Or, kunwari, yung ano natin, yung mga sa insurance, sa banko, etc. They are using fraud, for instance, okay? The next one is unjust fixation naman. Yung unjust fixation, and anything na hindi natin binanggit yan can be considered as unjust fixation. So, parang nairita lang sa'yo, that could be one form or one part of unjust fixations. So, okay, just to sum it up, what are those top cybercrimes in 2023? These are the following: online scams, illegal access, computer-related identity theft, ATM credit card fraud, online threats, data interference, anti-photo and video voyeurism, computer-related fraud, and unjust fixation. No? So po ba yan? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 9. Okay? These are the top 2023 cybercrimes in 2023 according to Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group. Okay, sige, that's it for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so that we can be able to publish something like this in the future. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all.